Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how can you generate combination of a string. Basically this process is called brute forces, where we generate every possible combination from the parent iterable object, and you can generate every possible string from this process. Now I will show you how you can make combination. First I need alphabets. From these alphabets I will make my combinations. Let me import string module, and then I import product from itertool module. Product returns tuple like Cartesian product in mathematics. It takes iterable object and makes different combinations. Now I take all English alphabets in a variable by using string.ascii lowercase. So I will write for I in product, and there will be two arguments. As I told you earlier, one is alphabet and second argument will be repeat. It repeats the Cartesian product of iterable object with itself. In other words, if I want to make combination of length 2, I will write repeat equal to 2. Now if I print and run this, you can see I got every possible combination of length 2. Now I want to make combination starting from length 0 to 9. I write this for loop inside another for loop, and I change repeat equal to j. Now if I run this program, you can see I am getting combination starting from 0 to length 9. Now I convert tuples into a string by using dot join method. If I run, you can see I got strings. Now I will check if I am able to make a word Java or not. If I found that word, I will simply exit from the program. You can see I got the word Java. Now I will check if I am able to make combination of number or not. But first I want a string of number, so I take numbers in a variable with the help of string dot digits. I will change the argument in product. Now I write a number in if condition 98746. If I run this program, you can see I got the number. Now I check if I am able to generate combination of number and alphabet. To do that, I will simply write alphabet plus number in argument of product, and I write Java 1 in if condition. If I run this, it will take too much time to generate. You can see I got the combination. The brute force attacks are used by hacker where they use forceful attempts to log in into private accounts. This is an old method but still effective. With this I have done with my video. I hope you like it. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now. See you in the next video.